equation of normal at P of theta, that is eccentric angle theta, is ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Let P is equal to b sin theta. Equation of tangent S1 is equal to 0, we know it, that is x1 by a square plus y1 equal to 1. So b gets cancelled. This is the equation of tangent. It's in the form of cos theta by a square a into x plus sin theta by, its a perpendicular is normal. Equation is normal to this is b into, b is formula is b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. Also you can write it as x minus ay is equal to bx1 plus ay1 minus ay1, sorry. So any one of the formula, I take this formula. B is sin theta by b into x minus x1. x1 is a cos theta, and then minus a is cos theta by a into y minus y1 is b sin theta is equal to 0. Okay, so x sin theta by b minus x cos theta, this is a cos theta, sorry, a cos theta y cos theta by a plus b sin theta cos theta. Ax multiply with the AB, what happens? Ax sin theta minus, when you multiply with the AB, it becomes a square sin theta by cos theta plus AB, that is b square, sorry, cos theta is equal to 0, isn't it? Therefore, this, when you divide this with the sin theta cos theta, you'll get ax by cos theta, then this is minus a square plus by by sin theta plus b square is equal to 0. Clearly, we arrived this, this minus b, right? Ax by cos theta, this is minus by by sin theta is equal to, remaining things to the equation of the normal. Point is theta means, p of theta means parametric coordinate, the a cos theta comma b sin theta. I think it's clear. Next, prove that the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn to this ellipse lies on the circle. If you consider this as ellipse, from a point you can draw tangents. Angle between the tangents is 90 degrees. Then we need the locus of such points. So we call it as a director circle. What is the equation of director circle? The locus of such a point lies on a circle. We have to prove that the locus of such point whose point of intersections, tangents, point of intersections of the tangents lies on a circle with respect to the ellipse is a director circle. Let us find the proof. Be any point, if y is equal to mx to x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, then this implies y is equal to mx plus or minus root of, what is c? So there is a tangents drawn to this, plus or minus. If it passes through x1, y1, if you consider this as p, this is the pair of tangents. If it passes through p, then this is the tangent. 1 is equal to plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Squaring, you will get into y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1. Look here, when you take m square common, this becomes x1 square minus a square. When you take m common, when you're taking remaining things to that side, this becomes, or else you can write it as y1 square minus b square is equal to 0. It contains a quadratic equation in terms of m. So it contains two roots, m1 and m2. If m1 and m2 are slopes of tan x1 y1 drawn from p x1 y1, then m1 is c by a. Product of the slopes is c by a. This is x1 square minus a square. This minus 1 is equal to y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square. When you multiply with minus, this becomes plus is equal to y1 square minus b square. Therefore, rearrange, locus square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. It's a circle whose center is origin is center square plus b square. A square plus b square is positive. Root of a square plus b square is the radius. Therefore, this circle is called as a director circle. This circle is called as director circle. So what is meant by director circle means the director circle is a circle nothing but the locus of the points. From this point, if you draw the tangents are perpendicular. Or else, if you take a reverse, if tangents are drawn to the from an external point, tangents are drawn to the circle. If the perpendicular tangents are drawn to the circle from a point, the locus of such perpendicular tangents lies on a circle called as director circle. Okay, right. Prove that the foot of perpendicular drawn from either of the foci to any tangent to ellipse s is equal to 0 lies on ellipse. That ellipse is called a circle, not an ellipse, it lies on a circle called a auxiliary circle. Already we know in the definition of auxiliary circle, a circle described circumference is equal to major axis, length of major axis. Okay, let's move to the problem. Let y is equal to mx plus c, b square is equal to 1 ellipse, a greater than b. Okay. Therefore, we know that y is equal to a square m square plus b square. For the let you look here, I consider a tangent here, consider a line here, that is plus or minus. Since focus is SAE comma 0, draw the perpendicular. This becomes foot of perpendicular. I'll write here. Let p x1 y1 be SAE comma 0. You can draw from here also. So I take one point from SAE comma 0 from any one of the foci. So p x1 by the foot of the perpendicular from SAE comma 0. Therefore, P lies on therefore I can write it as y square m square plus b square. Okay, square it. y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1 is equal to a square m square plus b square. This is number 2. Equation of SP, equation of this line. Since this is perpendicular to the tangent, therefore equation of PS is perpendicular to tangent. Tangent slope is m. Passing through slope of this is m. The slope of this is minus 1 by m, isn't it? So perpendicular PS equation is y minus y1 0 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1 is a. Since this line also lies on the, since p x1 y1 lies on it, so I can write it as m y1 m is equal to minus x1 plus a. X1 plus m by 1 is equal to a. Okay, squaring x1 square plus m square y1 square plus 2m. So this is equation number 3. So what is 2? 2 implies y1 square plus m square x is equal to a square m square. B square is nothing, b square value since a greater than. 3 implies x1 square plus m square y1 square. Add these two things. This gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. So when you take x1 square common, this becomes x1 square into 1 plus m square. When you take a square common, this becomes m square into 1 plus m square, a square, which is equal to 1 plus m square throughout the equation gets cancelled. So locus is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Auxiliary circle, next definition is the locus of foot of perpendicular drawn from either of the foci into any tangent in the ellipse lies on a circle called as the auxiliary circle. That is the definition. Right. I think it's clear.